Hello. In this tutorial, we go over the basics of managing users in Amahi 7. We show how to create, delete, and edit users. To get started, go to your Amahi dashboard and click on Setup. This should take you to the Users area. In this area, you will see all the users that have been set up in your server. If you click on any user, in our case, say Isaac Newton, the settings for it will show. The properties include the name, the admin checkbox, and the password. There is also the delete icon in the upper right corner. There are more things to configure available when the advanced settings are enabled in the Settings tab, but we will go over those in another screencast. The name shows you the full name of the user. The name cannot be changed in this release, but an admin can delete the user and create a new one with a different name. Let's look at the admin setting. By default, the system will start with the first user being an administrator. An administrator has full access to the setup area in the dashboard and also to the system itself in Linux. By checking the admin box, a user becomes a new administrator. An admin user cannot demote him or herself to a regular user. In other words, the system always has to have at least one admin. By clicking on the password icon, you can change the password for that user. Only admins can change passwords for users. Let's create a user. To do that, click on the button labeled New User at the bottom of the Users area. Now enter a username, full name, and a password. Both the username and the password are case sensitive, so please take a note of them. Amahi will verify that the username is available and the passwords match, and then create the user. You should be able to see the new user now, which in our example is called John Smith. This also creates their home directory, which is a private area available to this user alone, and is exported as a private share only available to him or her. You can give any permissions you want to this user to any other shares at this point in the shares area. In addition, if you have one of the VPN apps installed and set up, this user should be able to connect to your network now from anywhere outside it. If we want to delete this user, click on Delete John Smith. Since this cannot be undone, Amahi asks for confirmation. Click on OK, and that's it. You've successfully deleted the user. This also deletes their home directory, so keep in mind that the home directory and the share associated with it could contain data. That's it. Now you can add, delete, and manage your users. Thanks for watching.